Imagine walking into a beautifully designed home filled with elegant rustic furniture, timeless vintage accents, and designer-inspired decor. Most people would assume it costs thousands of dollars to achieve such a sophisticated interior. The truth is, many of these stunning spaces begin with inexpensive treasures found at thrift stores, flea markets, estate sales, and local antique shops. Today, we're uncovering the secrets behind transforming forgotten rustic finds into luxurious statement pieces that look straight out of a high-end interior design magazine. Whether you're passionate about farmhouse decor, modern rustic interiors, DIY home improvement, or budget-friendly decorating ideas, this guide will inspire you to create beautiful spaces without overspending. The journey begins with learning how to recognize potential rather than perfection. Experienced thrift shoppers don't search for flawless furniture. They search for quality craftsmanship hidden beneath chipped paint, worn finishes, or outdated hardware. Solid wood side tables, vintage mirrors, distressed picture frames, woven baskets, weathered ladders, and antique candle holders often become the foundation of elegant rustic home decor. When browsing second-hand shops, look beyond surface imperfections and imagine how a fresh coat of paint, wood stain, or decorative wax can completely reinvent each piece. This mindset transforms ordinary shopping into an exciting treasure hunt filled with endless decorating possibilities. Before any creative makeover begins, preparation is the secret that separates amateur DIY projects from professional-looking results. Every thrift item deserves a thorough cleaning, gentle sanding, and careful inspection for loose joints or damaged surfaces. Taking time to repair small imperfections creates a durable foundation for beautiful finishes later. Even inexpensive finds instantly appear more valuable when properly restored. This simple process allows rustic textures and authentic wood grain to shine while preserving the character that makes vintage decor so appealing in modern farmhouse interiors. Paint has the remarkable ability to transform outdated furniture into luxury-inspired home decor. Soft whites, warm grays, charcoal black, muted sage green, and creamy beige remain among today's most popular interior design colors because they create timeless elegance. Layering paint with dry brushing, whitewashing, or subtle distressing techniques produces depth that resembles expensive artisan craftsmanship. Instead of covering every imperfection, embrace selected signs of age to highlight authentic rustic charm. These designer techniques help inexpensive thrift finds blend seamlessly into upscale living rooms, cozy bedrooms, welcoming entryways, and sophisticated dining spaces. Sometimes the smallest details create the greatest transformation. Replacing outdated knobs, drawer pulls, hinges, and decorative accents instantly modernizes rustic furniture while maintaining its vintage appeal. Matte black finishes, antique brass hardware, brushed gold handles, and aged bronze accessories add refined character without requiring a significant investment. This affordable upgrade is frequently used by professional interior designers because it dramatically changes how furniture is perceived. A basic thrift cabinet can suddenly resemble a custom designer piece with only a few carefully selected finishing touches. Creating luxury home decor isn't only about the furniture itself, it's also about thoughtful styling. Interior designers often group decorative objects in odd numbers, combine various heights, and mix different textures to create visual interest. Pair vintage books with ceramic vases, woven baskets, linen fabrics, candles, preserved greenery, and handcrafted pottery to build light displays that feel warm and intentional. Mixing reclaimed wood with natural stone, soft textiles, and subtle metallic accents creates the perfect balance between rustic farmhouse charm and modern elegance. These styling techniques make every thrift piece feel curated instead of inexpensive. Many overlooked thrift store items have surprising decorative potential. An old wooden ladder becomes a stylish blanket display. Vintage crates transform into floating shelves or coffee table storage. Antique windows become decorative wall art. Weathered shutters frame mirrors, while old cutting boards become charming kitchen decor. Even forgotten wooden bowls, galvanized containers, and vintage pitchers can become beautiful centerpieces with seasonal greenery. Thinking creatively allows ordinary second-hand items to become unique focal points that add personality and sophistication throughout the home. One of the greatest advantages of DIY home decor is the ability to create cohesive luxury throughout the entire house without exceeding your budget. A beautifully refinished console table elevates the entryway, while thrift lamps receive updated shades that brighten the living room. Rustic trays organize bathroom essentials with spa-inspired elegance, and vintage cabinets provide attractive kitchen storage solutions. Every room benefits from carefully selected thrift flips that combine functionality with timeless style. This whole home decorating approach proves that luxury interior design depends more on creativity than expensive shopping. Across social media and home decorating communities, homeowners are embracing sustainable decorating as they seek unique alternatives to mass-produced furniture. DIY thrift flips reduce waste, preserve vintage craftsmanship, and encourage personalized interior design. Every restored piece tells a story while reflecting the homeowner's individual style. Instead of purchasing identical furniture from large retailers, decorators are creating one-of-a-kind homes filled with meaningful character. This growing movement combines affordability, environmental responsibility, and creative satisfaction, making rustic DIY projects one of today's most inspiring home improvement trends. Luxury isn't measured by price tags, it's measured by creativity, thoughtful design, and meaningful details. Every chipped table, weathered frame, or forgotten cabinet holds the potential to become something extraordinary with patience and imagination. By mastering simple DIY techniques, embracing rustic charm, and styling each piece with intention, anyone can create a home that feels elegant, welcoming, and uniquely personal. The next time you visit a thrift store, remember that today's overlooked bargain could become tomorrow's favorite designer-inspired masterpiece. Your dream home may already be waiting on a second-hand shelf, ready for its beautiful transformation.